Okay, I've got some new items to show here. This one, predictably, is the package that says Mondo on it. I don't think it's going to be any surprise what's inside this little sucker here. Or should I say, what it looks like. Obviously, the title of the video tells you already what it is. Okay, well, surprise, surprise, it's Good Burger number 3. Now this one has no identifying stickers or marks on it. And at first blush, it looks pretty much identical, except now this one here has this sticker here that says Original Score Mondo Burger Splatter. So it does have another sticker that differentiates it. It's, specifically been made for Mondo. But that's definitely something that I'm going to want to keep on here on the foil, because that's the only thing that's different about this. So let's give this a shot. Let's see what this one looks like. See where make sure I just open this carefully without removing any of the... Okay, here we go. Let's see here what we get. Let's see what the Mondo version looks like. I'm sure it looks just like the photo. Let's see here. Oh, okay. Well, this one, sort of similar to the condiment version, has a base that is clear, but it doesn't have the hand pour. It definitely has the, those little specks. They did a making of. It kind of looks like a donut before they squash it down, and it has like these little specks all over it before they squash it down. If they don't put that many of those little color dots on it in that particular area, I guess you just basically get like an area like this that's mostly clear. And it could just be an illusion, against the lighter colors around the center of this. Even the burger looks like a lighter color, but I bet you it's exactly the same as the rest of them. But anyway, it's obviously really pretty. And so there you go. That's that one. But there is one other thing that I decided to finagle, and it was a reason why I actually have a 4th copy to reveal on this particular video. And again, it comes in from Enjoy the Ride. If you look very carefully on their website, then you'll notice that they do have a section on their website that allows for you to buy kind of like a grab bag, a grab bag test pressing. You can buy a test pressing. It sort of doesn't really officially offer you the option of picking which one you get, but if you ask nicely, and if they have one that you want, then who knows? Maybe, just maybe, if they still had any left, they might be able to accommodate. I believe that these ones, though, the test pressings were more expensive. So let's just see if they still had one available, because there's certainly no guarantee. But like I said, if you go through the list and ask nicely, it's in part of a pull-down menu that says something like single 12-inch vinyl test pressing as compared with a double. There's like 12 different options for different test pressings that are available. So this thing is just a white sleeve, but actually, great. It actually does say Stewart Copeland Good Burger on it. ETT040. So, in fact, they were able to accommodate with this, with a request for this particular thing. They must have had an extra one. Who knows if they have any others, but this is the Waxworks Records Stewart Copeland Good Burger, Side A, February 16th, 2024. It's one of the test pressings. And Side B. So it's pretty heavy, but I don't think it's like, yeah, it's just wax. It's not a metal core acetate or anything. It's just a test pressing. But it looks pretty cool. I mean, obviously they're all gonna share a common label, and then they just put these little stickers on it. I guess that's the manner in which they do these test pressings. But awesome. I think, as far as I know, that's all the varieties that exist, right? You got your standard version in 300. You've got your condiment version of about 50. You've got your Mondo version of 300 and the test pressing version of who knows. I don't know. However many they made. 5, 10, who knows how many. But thankfully, they were able to offer me one of them. So now you have what these two look like in addition to the first two. And here, following this one again, is just a brief recap of what those other two look like so that they're all part of the same video. Enjoy the ride, y'all. Oh, let me see, oh my God. Boom! There it is. One of the rarer ones. Nice. It has clear, and then it has the mustard and ketchup condiments.